So I'm here, it's like 8:20 here in the morning, and it's terribly, terribly cold. It's minus 2 degrees, and it feels like minus 22, I guess 22, with the wind, because the wind's blowing around 19, 25 mile an hour. I had no intention to come out here this morning, but I gotta get this old backhoe here behind me. Gotta get it started, because I sold a loader for an old farm tractor last week. The guy said, I'll be out next week, get it? And I said, okay, that's great, as long as you don't come to 2 days. We have 2 days that is insanely cold. As long as you don't come then, we'll be fine. And well, he shows up last night and it was dark because he lost my contact information. And shows up last night. It was about the same temperature, like minus 2, felt like minus 22, 24, something like that. He said, we're here to pick that loader up. And I said, there's no way we can get the machinery started to load it. So he left his trailer here and left. And I plugged the back up last night. It's been plugged up all night. And we're going to see now if it starts, and try to get this loader loaded with the backhoe here. And hopefully it goes quick, easy. We'll find out. And I also don't really have a heater in this backhoe yet. So I really can't heat the cab up. The cab's not very tight, as you can see. And I have a wiring mess in here, because I just installed that LED light up on top of the cab. There's probably already been a video on that. Okay, I guess I'll climb in here and see if it starts. Well, the first thing I notice is the throttle is frozen. I have a foot throttle down here though, so I guess we'll see what it does. I don't know. It's really cold. Well, so far I am impressed with the battery. It's really cold. Oh, come on. Okay, I might try to get the pickup started, hook up jumper cables to it. Guess now see if the old Mazda starts. Nope. It's dead too. I might be out of luck here. And I know this old loader here won't start. But I don't know. I'm out of ideas. Oh, we might be out of luck today. I'll figure something out, I guess. was loaded to showed up and was able to jump some backhoe off the pickup. I'm gonna let it warm up in quite a while before we get it moved.
One eternity later.
We finally got the loader loaded into the stock trailer. Had a horrible time getting the end gates closed like they should because the loader barely fit in there. It's there. They drove off. No longer my problem. So this is a bit of a different video. I mainly just wanted to see if backhoe would start when it's so cold out here. I never would have started if I wouldn't need it because it's too hard on them. However, I need it, so there's nothing else I could have done. As I hooked up jumping cable suit, it fired up, no issues. And well, it is so cold, the fully charged battery in the camera just went dead. I'm going in, I'm calling it quits. But that's it for this video, something a little bit different, and just see backhoe start. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment down below. Hopefully have some new projects starting up here, and just about to have the shop finished up here, so hopefully get some new projects there where it's nice and warm. I appreciate you watching, I'll see you next time.